You know that the digestive system is one of the important systems in the body, but have you ever wondered about how it handles the processing of food? The digestion process begins at the mouth, and this happens during the chewing of material and with the mixture of digestive enzymes that include alpha amylase. After that, food is then passed down to the esophagus, which is a long tube of a material that's made of two types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle tissue, predominantly at the top, and smooth muscle tissue at the bottom of the esophagus. After food passes through the esophagus, it's then pushed down to the stomach of the person after going through gastroesophageal sphincter, or GES, and exit. Then once in the stomach, food is further processed through additional digestive enzyme mixture and eventually passed down to the duodenum after going through a second exit, this time known as pyloric sphincter. Now, the duodenum is the beginning part of the small intestine. After that, food is then pushed down to the jejunum and eventually to the ileum of the person. Now, the ileum is the terminal end of the small intestine. Now, in order for contents to then go from the ileum to the beginning part of the large intestine, the cecum, it has to go through an exit once again, and this time the exit is called ileocecal valve. Once in the cecum, contents are then pushed upwards into the ascending colon, and then the large intestine makes a right turn known as the hepatic flexure, and it then becomes the transverse colon. Once again, making another right turn, this time called the splenic flexure, to become the sigmoid colon. And then that eventually further becomes down into the superior part of the rectum.